Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is my first video on attempting really drawing in 3D. And be forewarned, this video is going to be a little slow because this graphic is so detailed that it's bogging down my computer. Recently in a magazine there was an article about how to do this, and this isn't 3D, it is checkerboard, and it is pretty cool. And if you like how to do that, I could make a video on that, but and see how it's slowing down my computer. That checkerboard pattern is more or less just this. That's not really 3D. It could be. I mean, it's a neat pattern, but this is the 3D, and the picture does it no justice. I tried to take a picture close up at an angle, and it is three-dimensional, but it's not, this is not. There are some 3D graphic artists out there that are amazing in whatever they do, and you can see or at least you can in person, the depth and the height through this 1/8" wood. I mean, it's going down from like a 1/16 to back up to the top and just barely touching that. So I'm going to show you how to recreate that, probably in a two-part video, so stay tuned for the other part after I show you the initial start. And I am going to delete these, so hopefully my computer will run faster, and I'm going to delete this picture, and I'm even going to delete that picture. So, and I got this tip from my mentor, Roy Brewer, at Engraving Concepts. He calls it a poor man's 3D. But just take your Polygon tool and make a four-sided polygon. Do not hold down the control button, and make this any size you want. Then immediately you need to make it, I draw everything in hairline, we're going to make it a 1/2 point, and we're going to make it black. Then we're going to go to the contour tool, and we're going to contour to the center, and this is different than the inside. The inside, you're going to tell it how many steps. The center, you're going to tell it how small a step, and it'll contour. So we're going to go from black outline to a white color, and I'm going to hit apply, and there is your 3D effect, and that's pretty cool. And so to keep the video a little shorter, now I'm going to show you how in the next video, which would be part 2, how to arrange these. It's a little complicated. It's not as easy as it looks into a pattern. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.